Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals lag and high FPS problem. First of all, what you have to do is open your game's settings and you have to make sure that display mode has been set to full screen, and you also have to make sure that the anti-aliasing and the super resolution type should be set to whatever graphics card you are using. If you're using NVIDIA, you have to select NVIDIA, or if you're using AMD, you have to select AMD. And the super resolution mode should be set to the balanced mode. And then you have to turn off the low latency mode, and you also have to turn off limit FPS option. Now in the graphics setting of the game, what you have to do is simply click on the optimize button, and it will automatically optimize your game according to your PC specifications. But if you're still facing the lag, what I recommend is to lower down all the settings in the graphics mode. Once you've done that, close the game, and then simply what you have to do is hit your Windows key on your keyboard and type in startup. Click on startup apps. Now what you have to do in this list, you have to turn off as much applications as you like. In my case, I have turned off so many applications because I do not want them whenever my PC starts up, and I do not want these all applications to start up at once, because they will eat my RAM and it will slow down my PC as well. And after that, what you have to do is hit the Windows key and type in graphics, and you will see graphics settings. Click on it. From here, what you have to do in the list of all the applications, you have to find the Marvel Rivals. For instance, let's suppose this Red Dead Redemption 2 is Marvel Rivals. What I will do, I will simply click on the drop down menu, and in the GPU preference, I will set it to high performance. So you have to make sure to set your Marvel Rivals to the high performance mode, and then close the window. And in the last step, what you have to do is click on your notifications tray and open the NVIDIA's application. Once it's opened, you have to go to the drivers section, and here check for if any update is available for your graphics card or not. If there's any update available, simply click on the download button, and it will start to download the newest update for your graphics card, and it will work perfectly fine. So after doing all of these steps, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix Marvel Rivals lag and high FPS problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.